Very first my step on the Cape Breton land, I feel that this is really Canada.
Academics do form a great part of a university life, but it is the people around you, it is the activities around you. Here at Cape Breton University, you get to develop the mindset of a community-minded student. You get to meet a lot of people from different cultures. You get to get yourself engaged in a lot of activities that is going on.
I really love it so much because people are so friendly, and whenever you say hi, you will see the response very, very good. Hey, what's up? What are you doing?
There's not much of a difference between international and local students here because we're all just the same.
Out here you come, you learn to relax, you learn to appreciate life more, you learn to appreciate the time that you have, the minute.
When I'm walking through school, I'm going to see probably 15 to 20 different people that I know from different places all over, and you're going to talk to your professors and your custodians and the cafeteria workers, and they're very approachable and kind.
For a small area, it's quite diverse. You have so many different countries, you're able to meet so many different nationalities, and I think that's a wonderful experience.
Many people are from China, Bangladesh, Egypt, and Nigeria.
People from Gambia, from China, I've met people from Egypt, I've met people from different parts of the Caribbean.
Japan, Europe. So it's been very interesting getting to know all these people and getting to know their language and their culture.
I think that level of interaction that both Canadian students and the international students have will make each of them benefit in the long run.
We all talk English, and we all need the same thing, which is be happy and enjoy our time. I found here a lot of scenery and landscapes. I didn't find it anywhere. I went to Cabo Trail, and that was the greatest thing I did in my whole life.
Like when we first came into Canada, like all the international students are gathered together, and the international advisor here took all us to the Louisburg and the Cabo Trail.
When I went to the first time in Cape Breton, I can't believe that how beautiful it is. Seeing the leaves turning, it's very beautiful.
The golf course up there, which is really nice, and there's cliffs, you can see the whales in the sea, and you can go through all these trails and see a bunch of wild animals. And I came across a moose, and I just thought that was an amazing experience.
My hometown is also a coastal city. It has all kinds of seafood, but nothing can compare with the Atlantic Canada lobster. I really love them.
You are someone who likes to go sightseeing and likes to have time to yourself and go for walks and see a lot of historical things, then I feel Cape Breton is a place to be.
Here, you could say it's really cold, but you'll adapt to it, and it's really nice and beautiful when it snows.
Being able to walk in the snow to go to school at times and looking out my window and seeing snowflakes is one of the greatest experiences ever.
Yes, I was so excited because this is the first time I've seen the snow.
I went for snowboarding, skiing, and it was really, really good, and I had lots of fun and the best experience in my life. So yeah, and driving in the snow is really fun too.
This is something that I've never done ever in my life. I was kind of scared about it, but when I tried it, it was exciting because I did it with some of my Canadian friends, so they were like, Heidi, you can do it.
Everywhere you go in Cape Breton, you'll find at least 2 or 3 shots you have to take with your camera. One of the most amazing thing here, the traffic. It's so low, so you can stop anywhere and take your shots and go away without bothering anyone.
My favorite thing about Cape Breton is the people.
The people with the smaller community are really helping.
Like whenever you have a problem, if you're lost or something, and you see somebody, they'll take the time to stop.
When they first met you, they will remember your name, and every time they will address by your name.
And any international student like I am can experience this first-hand, real Canadian, Irish, Scottish communities.
A lot of people would notice that we're international students here, and in some other places, sometimes you might not be recognized.
I was surprised because if no one know me, still they're talking like as a friend.
which is like I never seen before, but what I get in Cape Breton, it's nice.
Cape Breton is a very safe environment, and it allows you to move forward in life with no worries. You learn a lot of things that you can take on into the future.
Cape Breton University, actually it's not very far from downtown. So downtown have 3 or 4 big superstores. You can find everything you need. I was amazed when I found like Egyptian food. That was like, wow.
When international students take part in the many activities we have here on campus, it is not only enriching for those students, but it's enriching for the students that live here and come here from other areas in Canada.
Res is like one of the most exciting things ever. Like Res in itself is like a different entity in regards to like getting out in the community and getting to do things. So on weekends I tend to visit different cultures, and I tend to go to different apartments and just meet new people and just have fun with the friends that I have.
You can open your door anytime and you'll meet at least 200 people at the same night, and everyone will talk about everything. So in 5 minutes you'll make 60 or 70 different new friends. You always have something to do. Always have something to do. And a lot of fun, a lot of talk, a lot of chat. You know, parties, not a lot, because you know, study in school.
There's a lot of fun going on here, so the student life, but it's like really rich.
And like every Friday in the pits, like something other like goes on, like a party or just like a pool tournament or an international culture like program. They have a special room called the International Students Room, where you can just go and play some ping pong, read books, and then watch some TVs.
I was involved in the Cape Breton University Student Union, which provides all kinds of opportunities for any kind of students from all over the world.
I have been doing some part-time job on campus since last year. I'm a keeper patroller in the SOS booth. I'm working in the corner store, and also I'm a resident assistant in the McDonald's residence.
There's activities and things you can do all around the town of Sydney, and you can go bowling, you can go see the Cape Breton Screaming Eagles at the local ice arena. There's clubs, there's bars, there's even the pit lounge at the university, which has some really good nights. And then you have some good nights just at residence parties as well.
There's things to do at the pit, there's things at noon hour, there's great fundraisers, there's things that they create pub crawls for different societies and different programs in the university. So I'd say there's something always on the go, and the Student Union has done a really great job of promoting it. To any student thinking or considering university, I would definitely say that Cape Breton University is ideal for anyone. It has small class sizes. It has professors that really want to help you. You're not just a number in their classes, you're an actual person.
This is a really great place for the study. The teacher, you can say like a study style, everything is perfect.
If you have the suitable or the very comfortable environment around you, you achieve every goal you ever planned to.
There's a lot of people around this university who care about you graduating from university.
I just feel like Cape Breton University is just a place to be.
Cape Breton University was a very excellent opportunity for me and for my friends.
I would say Cape Breton University is not the biggest university in the whole world, but actually it's the most familiar and the most funny and the most, how can I say that? It's just your second home. Once you enter Cape Breton, you don't want to go away.
Just come and just indulge in the different cultures.
It's really nice, and it's a good community for me. I like it.
Basically, it just feels like home.
I look forward to staying. I even look forward to staying for my master's for another 2 years.
Cape Breton University just changed my life.
If you're looking for a different experience, I would say definitely this school would be for you.
From everyone here in the CBU community, we're excited to meet you and look forward to your arrival.